My role in the mentorship and student experiences at EVCC is really multifaceted. One of my jobs is to go to the veterinary schools and talk about emergency medicine and explain kind of what we do in the real world outside of academia. And we invite those students to come to our talks about emergency procedures or cases that we've seen here at EVCC, and we have hosted a wet lab helping students to learn how to perform a splenectomy, for example. And then we also invite those students to come back to our clinics here in Indiana and now Michigan to be able to see real-world emergency medicine for themselves and be hands-on and part of the team in taking care of patients in an emergency setting.